trailblazers. We're welcome to another exciting episode of Stepping Out of the Comfort Zone podcast. I'm your host, Leroy Glover, and today we're not just diving into theory, we're rolling up our sleeves to put these powerful principles into action. Get ready to embark on a journey where we'll translate the robust concepts we're explored into real-world consequences. Take a moment to reflect on our journeys so far. The milestones we've uncovered about self-beliefs, risk-taking, and growth. These aren't just abstract ideas. They are the very tools that can help you construct the life you always envisioned. Imagine standing at the base of a towering mountain, your ambitious goals. It may seem daunting, but it's not beyond your reach. Setting a goal is akin to charting your course to that summit. Today's we'll show you how to map out this journey with intelligence and unwavering conviction. As you mark each checkpoint on your ascent, remember this: every step is empowered by your beliefs in success. This belief will transform your strategies from challenging uphill battles into exhilarating climb. Life is dynamic, and so is the path to our goals. Adapting is the key to success. Stepping out of your comfort zone requires weighing the scales of risk and reward. With each decision, ask yourself, does this move me closer to the summit? And as we reach the summit of today's episode, look back at the principles you've gathered. There are your compass, your climbing gear, and your roadmap. They are ready to be put into the test in real world and in your world. So thank you for joining us on episode 14, Applying the Principles of Real World Scenarios. Take these invaluable lessons, venture into the unknown, and always remember the principles you carry are the wings upon which you soar. Until next time, keep pushing, keep climbing, and keep stepping out of your comfort zone.